Okay, so this is a Case International. It's model 840 or 8430 rather, Baler. It does bale a 4x4 bale. It's rated for about a 55 or 60 horsepower tractor. We've got it on a 40 horsepower tractor today, and you can get down that small if you use a lower gear and still bale a really nice tight bale. It is electric tie, and we'll show you that, but all the cylinders, everything, sheet metal's all in good shape. Sensors and all seem to be working as well. So we'll get up here to where you can actually see the electric tie work. You can kind of see, you can see the arm moving and the gauge moving as well. Seems to be functioning exactly like it's supposed to be. We'll kind of do a walk around. Both tires are in good shape. The belts on it actually look brand new, even though there is one that looks like it's been ripped for some reason or another. It's actually still in good shape, and you can kind of see the ridges on them. One kicker arm is broke, but it looks like about a 5-minute weld job with a piece of channel. They're just hollow out channels, all they are. Spring and everything on it still works exactly right. Once again, this side's pretty good shape. Tires are in good shape. The paint on the whole baler's in darn good shape. We'll show you the chains. There's all the chains, and we'll get it fired up here in a second. And raise up the cylinders and everything for you as well. You can kind of see how clean it is. It's baled about 50 bales a year for about the last 10 to 12 years. It doesn't have hardly any bales through it at all. And actually, if I could get a good video of the reel actually still has paint on it as well. So we'll get it fired up. So there's the reel moving. Everything is working exactly like it should. Doesn't look like there's any play anywhere that I can see in any of the chains. So you can kind of see inside the baler. Cylinders work good. There are no leaks anywhere on the cylinders that I can see. No bends, anything like that. There's your gate sensor right there. It seems to be in good shape. There's the other side of it right there. So, like I said, everything looks to be in pretty good shape. Take that lever the other way. So there's the gate shutting right there. You can see we've got slack in the belts. That's the reason they weren't turning a while ago. So that's the baler.